At the moment, I'm not even irritated by Naledi Aphiwe. At the moment, I am irritated by people who keep on coming here on social media and say Naledi Aphiwe is still a child. Naledi Aphiwe is still a kid. Naledi Aphiwe is still learning. Learning what exactly? No, learning what? Learning ukudisrespecta abantu abadala. Learning ukuphendula udoti kuma comments. Naledi Aphiwe is so talented. And people got me wrong and called me umthakathi kwi-comment section kaNaledi Aphiwe when I told her that ulayekile angayifumani award. And nangoku I'm still saying ulayekile vele angayifumani award. Because she didn't deserve it. People started coming for me when I told Naledi Aphiwe that we have got so many top dogs and A-listers here in Mzansi, and people said, "Diyathakatha." Some said Naledi Aphiwe is still young. I don't have to be so hard on her. Nah, Andimi country. And it's unfortunate that people are getting tired of her behavior. People got me wrong with comment section yakhe when I said that tomorrow she might wake up engenando. Because I feel like one thing that's driving Naledi Aphiwe crazy is the fact that ungene industry in a different way and then she started booming. Yes. Ungene industry way better than stories kabanbani, Top Dogs, Ozinxumalo, Nkosazana Daughters, Yo Mahu. Those people are people who really tried hard. Naledi Aphiwe was just a school learner. Chris Brown saw her video and it was her luck, man. There are so many young people out there who sing way more better than Naledi Aphiwe. And I am not trying to destroy her. All I'm saying that ego yakhe and being naive and being... is it being naive? Psh. Cool, asikho lapho. But yeah, she has that thing about it's about her. She's the youngest in the industry, and we've had them. We've have your Nasty C, your La Sauce, your all of them. They've been here. We've had we've had that in South Africa. It's not something new. Ayiqali ngaye bakwethu. So that is why I'm saying Naledi Aphiwe doesn't even irritate me anymore. I was not shocked now when she made such comments about Ladysmith Black Mambazo. Be humble. We are comment on TikTok that no, Naledi Aphiwe is still young. Young for who? So if she's young, she has to go on disrespecting abantu. Is that what she would teach owakho umntwana? Aphume kuma socials nje ngoba le yeyisa ingane uyadelela, uyacika, she's irritating. And I can count them all for you. She started ngofezeka, she went on Fifi Cooper, Mahu's sister. It's a lot. Foreigners, Zimbabwean saga. It's a lot. This girl has been doing a lot. And you guys keep on saying ngumtana. Then let umtana.
Good morning. Anyway, I really like the metro chomi. Aphiwe utiletse Black Mambazo and Aphiwe wa tella Naledi wa tella. And the only reason why I told pele atella ba tholotsa dirang because of lereke ngwana a le mokhale. Lereke ngwana wa hola. Chomi me came next to Thomas and ngwana. And I feel like now Naledi is old enough. Wa o ituru wa tella ngwanola. Wa na go meet Chris Brown, no? Wa na go yeah, it's a lot of but one of the Alamokali and getting a limbirang I saw because of latte had the lava holo had regabata. Oh my gosh, a queen of comebacks. Marabatel Langanola. A whole Lady Mambazo chimney. Why do the Black Lady Mambazo? They have 7 Grammy nominees. They won 2, if I'm not mistaken, or 3. Yena she will never get nominated for a Grammy, no matter what. Like just Hakaboya or Ras or Abuya Molafating, she'll never get nominated for a Grammy. Never. Understand that. And then each and every day she's gonna lose fans. Shem. Each and every day she's losing fans. It's bad. It's very bad. Ma keller gwana. Wow, hola remote. Yo Ramara. I Shem. Yo. When another bana ra lekana le ena mara tsa dirang wena e na ne le joke ntho e boletse ka Black Mambazo a se joke a itsheise chomi a itsheise but ya tswelang pele chomi le re ke ngwana. You guys are jealous of her. At her age, you didn't achieve anything. Oh my gosh, Chris Brown, blah blah blah. Atelle, chomi, it's fine. Queen of comes back. Of the beggars to come. And you are to me. Think about it, chomi. 7 nominations, how we not ready? 7, eh? Yeah, little matter with chomi, yeah. Lena a le sharp, Shem. You are sharp. I will check me 7. 7 nominations. 7 is the number for perfection in the spiritual world. But still, le one yana. And she's doing so well. Caesar. Caesar. I can see Caesar came out. My winning seat. Yeah. Shem. Aye. South Africa, you're wrong. You're wrong. It shows through me whether you get 7, 8, 9, 10, it means nothing. But for me, I'm happy for her. The fact that she got nominated for awards, she's amazing. Zinkumalo is amazing. She's a talented girl. We love her so much. Now I love her so much. She's amazing. Whether we win or not, the fact that she got recognized for these awards, it shows that I'm on. So, my baby, don't worry, Shem, don't worry. We're still gonna listen to your music. We're still gonna stream. You're still a performer, and yeah, the Metro Awards are not the Woolworths Awards. Also, they are feta. That's funky. I was really fit to me. But congratulations to all the winners. Thank you.
Uthi Naledi Aphiwe wayibongisa iBlack Mambazo ngekuwina i-award ngoba bebecategory leyi-1 yeah perhaps ubhalile lapha ku-Instagram wathi siyanibongisa omkhulu Mambazo ngokuwina le-award leyo lokusho kona ukuthi bogogo bebanivotela lokuthi uyasho ukuthi no bayithengele le-award uyasola ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyasola ukuthi why bathi bide nge-Lady Smith Black Mambazo bebamadoda sola lokuningi lapha perhaps siyabonga kakhulu hey kuningi lobe kwendeka kakhulu lapha kuma metro ya nangizwe naye bamvimbile athi ufuna ukuchawula Somizi wathi not now perhaps ngizwe wathi onzela ukuthi Somizi mfowethu wengane kwethu wathi no ngizwe no ngicela ungizwe kahle ngizwe no ngizwe ngathi akazange akhona ukumuzwa kahle perhaps ngoba ngizwe ufike lapha kulendzawo kanti lendzawo le bathi indzawo le after 9 ngathi kucala kwendeka into after 9 vele kungenwa ma after 9 ngiyoba after 9 la ngenako allegedly lapha kulendzawo so ngizwe yena ngathi ufike before 9 asadi ukuthi bekafuna kwendani maybe after 9 nako khona lo bekangakwenda ngoba udzala naye solo lokuyasonzela ubabaphatha ubhampa ngabona nalapha athi ungizwe uSomizi akaphuma nesizwe sakhe akasifuni mara nawo so ufuna ukuchawula lo muntu okumele aphume nesizwe sakhe perhaps
uyabona masikhuluma ngomuntu ohluphayo hey uNaledi Aphiwe uyahlupha hey iyahlupha le ngane ithi iBlack Mambazo ngoba umculo amakhehla nezalukwazi ezingakwazi ukucofa amafoni iBlack Mambazo bivotele ubani uthi bivotele ubani nje iBlack Mambazo ukuthi ngaze kuwine iBlack Mambazo futhi akawazi nomculo wayo ukuthi iculani uthi icula nje umsangano umbhedo angithuki kuNaledi waseNanda mowazi abantu baseNanda nje uNaledi uyilenta yiyona mina ngifuna ungashintshi sisi waseNanda wena yabo senizothi hayi uNaledi she's wrong she must what waseNanda expecteni kumuntu waseNanda nje yino expectile kumuntu waseNanda.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. People are coming hard for uNaledi Aphiwe ngemva kokuthi angawini award lapha kuma Metro Awards labe walapha eThekwini So bekanominate-iwe ne-Black Mambazo. Black Mambazo ngiyo lewine leya award. Wahamba waya laphana ku-Instagram ayobadrega abhala ama-status ngabo njengala sibona ubhale ukuthi siyababongela omkhulu Mambazo. Shuthi ogogo bebavota ethuneni. Bale abanye bazange bayithande le mibhalo yakhe Naledi Aphiwe because people feel ukuthi ube nekudzelela udzelela abantu abadala. Kukaningi abantu bamkhuda uNaledi, and some people are defending her saying ukuthi she's still a child, she's young, akayati into la yendawo ngalesinye isikhathi. But some people are saying ukuthi songedluli kwathenta uNaledi uyadi ukuthi wendani, akanayo ngisho noma-manager yini lamtshela ukuthi stop dragging other people and old people etinkundleni zokuxhumana because uyademoshela. So abantu abaningi abazange bayithande leya mibhalo yakhe leyende lapha ama-status akhe because people felt ukuthi ube nokudzelela i-Black Mambazo futhi uyithathela phansi. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.